So I think now we figured out the audio issue. Now we have to figure out the issue of hearing me click all the time. It turns out the proximity of the webcam to my computer really does make a difference. But I don't want to get it too far away or you won't be able to see me or hear me. And that's the whole point of making videos like this, you know? So, this video is just going to consist of me deleting all my messages that I've sent my friend as test messages for these videos. Yeah. So as you know, I usually upload my test videos, the successful ones. So this one is probably going to be up in about half an hour after I make sure there's nothing strange going on. So yeah, thanks for bearing with me